Okay? Here. So make sure to strike out and look where you're hitting and then bring it back to your thighs.
Yeah.
Strike, thigh.
No.
Strike, thigh.
Strike.
Strike, thigh.
Good. Show them that way. Show them that way.
Strike,
No.
thigh. Strike, thigh. Strike, thigh. Strike, thigh. Okay?
Show them the other way.
I'm going to show them that way, okay? Strike, thighs. Strike, thighs. Strike, thighs. Strike, thighs. Okay? And don't forget to like us and subscribe for more videos of me teaching you. Now upload it.